So today I'm going to be going to one of my favorite spots. It's called the mouth of Brushy. It's the Des Moines River, and then in between that comes down here is two creeks that go to Brushy. And those creeks are the ones that we're going to fish and hope to get some smallmouth and some other fish. So hopefully we get some fish. Other than that, if we don't get fish, it's always a beautiful time to come down here. There's always creatures, wildlife, and all different other stuff. But we might as well see some people down here. It'd be the first time. There's like 6 vehicles here, but I mean, we'll talk to them. So see you guys out there. Finally made it to the creek. It's absolutely beautiful. This is why it's one of my favorite spots, so go ahead and check it out. Let you guys see my first catch. Keeper. See if he'll hit it. Oh, there we go. We got him. It's a nice. Oh. Look at him. What do we got, boys? This is why I'm out here. Because of you, buddy. Smalley. These are my favorite right here. Most beautiful smallmouths, creek smallmouths. They fight so hard. So let's get the release on him. Let me move this out of the way for you. Oh yeah, there he goes, a little kicker. Well, we got one, so hopefully we'll get another. There's like a deep hole here, so I'm wondering if that's what these smallies are sitting in. Just dragging it against the ground.
Get my booty hole wet.
Here we go. Little one. Oh, did you see him take off? Man, I didn't set the hook hard enough. Check this out. A clam. Has been open, so the raccoons haven't got to it yet. Too bad it wasn't open so I could show you guys what. Oh! Fail! Couldn't show you guys what's inside, but these things are cool. I'm gonna throw them out a little bit though. That way the raccoons don't have an easy meal. Yo, we're done. It started to rain. Sadly, because we were hoping to get on some more smallmouth, but we ended up getting only one and a half, if you want to count one that I had on, but lost it, jumped out of the water. Bloop, there goes my Mr. Twister. So we're done for today. We're gonna go ahead and head home and make some pheasant fajitas. So I thank you guys for watching today's video, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Boots are muddy. New vehicle. Wow. So gotta climb to the front. Bam. All right.